In this video, we're going to show you how you can activate evolutions here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale videos just like this. So say you've just installed Clash Royale or not, and say you've just unlocked your first evolution card, but when you jump into battle, it's not working. No worries, I've got you fully covered. Here's exactly what's going on. Your evolved cards aren't actually in your evolution slot. To actually activate your evolution here in Clash Royale, open up your deck builder just like so, and you should see two purple evolution slots up at the top of your card lineup. These are going to be those first two slots for you. Essentially drag your evolution ready card, say like the Lumberjack or the Witch, into one of those two slots, and you'll see a special animation confirming that those evolution slots are still active. Now obviously these aren't real evolutions. To actually see all the evolutions, I would recommend going to the shop and then scrolling down until you see this little evolution shard section, and this is going to be all of the actual evolutions. I was just using those two as an example. But that's it. You'll now get the powered up version of that card during your battles. If your evolved card is somewhere else in your deck, it's not going to be active. Only the first two slots matter, so make sure you put it in there. But yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more Clash Royale tutorials and quick tips just like this. Have a great day. Peace.